So I've just received these Clogger Ultra Zero chainsaw pants. Have those later after work. Still in the recyclable box, doing well. The new ones, same colour, larger pockets, turn inside out, sawdust will come out. Zip pocket on the for the phone. Got a rear pocket. Extra ventilation, new ventilation down the back on the inner leg. Heavier duty for the chainsaw. Chain protection, and on the bottom Velcro tabs for your spikes or ascenders to make those work better when climbing. Inside, little scannable tag for your PPE tracking. Should be good. Keep up the good work, Clogger.